So this is the walk around video of the SKODA VRS OCTAVIA. Doing an exterior walk round. It's got lovely rims with bright red calipers for the brakes. Roof rails as well for attachments. A nice wide double exhaust on the back there. The nice red reflective beam at the back. And on the other side, exactly the same. Now we do have a daylight running. I don't know whether you can see that, but it's a daylight running LED strip in the front headlights. Okay, now into the interior. So this is complete with all the sport package inside. We have the likes of flat bottom steering wheel with the VRS branding at the bottom, red stitching, which is a must in all sports cars. A lovely interior, and now SKODA do their interiors fantastically, and this is another fantastic example. We've got a carbon fibre look here, red leathered stitching, storage compartments as well, along with all of your start stop functions, your locking functions, and your climate control and aircon. A nice LED display to explain the temperatures. Auxiliary and USB connections. Got volume, settings, controls. And you've got all of your onboard computer buttons here. You have air vents as well. Turn off and on your passenger airbags, hazards. A nice wide rear view. Independent reading lights, along with the speakers for the passengers and the driver on the hands-free. And as I said earlier, on the exterior, got the auto running lights. These will just read the time of day, and they will do the appropriate lighting for that time of day. You've also got more media controls on the stems of the wheel, and a lovely bright LED display. 12-volt cigarette lighter, drinks holders. This carbon fibre look continues across the doors of the car, as you can see on the left, with your leathers continuing as well. Nice broad loud speakers on either side of the door. We also have VRS branding on the headrest, which is very smart. Carbon fibre continuing on the back here, along with the VRS logos and the leather stitching here. And aircon controls in the back, along with extra storage, and as you'd always expect, pouches at the back too. Nice big boot with stowage at the sides here for first aid kits and breakdown recover. And that brings you down the seats, simple as that. And very easily just pop these shoes back up, pop these seats back up, and you've also got a mid armrest if you've got no one in the middle, and you can also just completely let that go as well. And that is a SKODA VRS walkthrough. If you want to inquire about the vehicle, give us a call or visit anchorcars.co.uk.